Yummy Sue, you're a culinary genius!
Thank you, but I'm also an Among Us genius.
Actually, the true Among Us genius is standing right in front of you. Oh, Sue, are you offended? It's not a reason to switch off the light.
That wasn't me, Sammy.
Ah!
You're the imposter!
Prove it!
I know it wasn't me. Then it's totally you.
Sue, how could I ruin your gorgeous cake?
Sounds convincing.
We should make a craft that will help us catch the imposter.
Doubly convincing. Hey guys, today we're gonna make a craft for catching imposters.
Sue, check this out. We should know what the imposter looks like. That will increase our chances of getting him.
Great idea, Sammy. It will also increase our chances of making a cool craft. Guys, ask an adult to help you with this part. Plus, even if we don't get the imposter…
No way. Guys, give a thumbs up if you're sure that we'll find the cake imposter.
Sammy, you didn't even let me finish. Just listen.
Okay, I'm all ears.
Oh, Sammy, I just wanted to say that this craft will help us to train our attention. All right, there we go.
I still detect a hint of doubt in your voice.
Sammy, I found the imposter!
What? Where is he?
Oh, nowhere.
So, don't get distracted.
If you say so. Guys, now we'll mark these little imposters. Even though they're so tiny, they are quite dangerous.
Don't worry, Sue, I'll complete all the tasks in no time.
Okay, Sammy, I believe in you.
Too fast? It's my normal speed, you dull machine!
Check out how many silhouettes we have here. Now we'll stick adhesive tape pieces on them.
Great, now it's too slow. It's impossible.
Sammy, keep calm and carry on. And be careful with scissors. While you guys can ask an adult to help you.
Keep calm and carry on.
By the way, guys, do you know the history of that expression? These words come from a famous motivational poster, which was used in Great Britain during the Second World War. It was appealing to the citizens to keep calm in any circumstances and continue doing their jobs.
Sue, I have great news! I did it!
See? The slogan still works.
The next task is waiting for me. What? Wires? That's too difficult.
No worries, Sammy. I'll help you with this one. We'll glue these wires to the tape pieces. Up, voila! These wires will send electrical impulses that will make our craft work. There you go.
Sue, you helped me with my task and I helped you with the craft.
Yep, we're a great team. We're done with the wires. It looks very scientific, huh, Sammy?
I feel like a cool scientist.
Actually, I thought you were a cool The Among Us player.
I am the greatest Among Us player. I'm just kind of a versatile genius.
And I'm a simple craft genius. Up, voila!
I think geniuses should stick together to create lots of genius stuff.
Absolutely.
Let me have you take out the garbage.
Wait, Sammy, no, we need this garbage for our craft, but thanks for taking the initiative.
See, I was just checking your reaction rate.
Oh, well, as you can see, it's still good enough.
Yeah, you showed perfect results.
One last move and the main part of our craft is ready. Now, guys, we can move to the next part.
Don't worry, Sue, I'll take care of it.
Okay. Guys, I'd better go check on our genius.
Sue, I don't understand what I should do with this.
Guys, hot glue is a very tricky thing, so please ask an adult to help you at this stage. Now we'll make the engine of our craft. Up,
Susie, I got it. Look what a nice and useful piece I made.
Great work, Sammy. I knew that you're very purposeful.
You are purposeful. I am a genius.
It doesn't mean that a genius can't be purposeful, Sammy. It just means that you never give up and always finish what you started. There we go. Actually, my little slime friend, you should be proud of this trait of your personality. Here goes the motor. Great.
Who said I'm not proud? But I still have to finish something.
Huh. Guys, do you have any idea what Sam's talking about? Well, guys, now it's time to put our imposters in their places. This bamboo stick will hold the whole structure together this way. Sammy, are you doing a new task?
Oh, tasks! I completely forgot about them. Hey, take this.
Sam is a purposeful slime, but also very forgetful.
Sue, here are all the pieces I made for the craft. And now, as a 100% purposeful slime, I'll go finish something that I've started.
You know, Sammy, I'm also a very goal-oriented person, but sometimes I get lazy and use a bit of magic. Actually, I could become a perfect employee for Microsoft.
Because you're lazy?
Exactly. Do you know the famous Bill Gates quote?
Huh, Bill Gates. Is that a new Marvel hero?
No, that's the guy who invented computers and programs and all kinds of stuff, Sammy. You know, one of the richest people in the world.
Hold that thought, Sue. I made something that needs all your attention.
Let's see. This is done very well. What can I say? You perfectly completed the wiring task. All the parts are connected carefully and neatly.
Anyway, what was that Bill Gates quote?
Oh, he said that he always chose a lazy person to do the hardest work because a lazy person will always find the easiest way to complete the task.
Huh, that's very wise. Oh, by the way, Sue, I nearly forgot. Here.
Thank you, Sammy.
Listen, Sue. According to the Among Us game's rules, if we complete all the tasks, the imposter will automatically be kicked out.
Since you're the best in it, it's your responsibility to complete the tasks, Sammy. Let's glue it right here.
Don't you worry, Sue. I'll do my best.
I never doubt you, Sammy. So, while Sammy's doing tasks, I'll tell you why we need this piece with wires. Long story short, this piece is some kind of engine for our craft. It'll make our imposters run really fast.
All right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, keep calm, Sammy. 3. Oh.
Never give up. Well, guys, let's move to the next part of our craft. I've made this piece.
Sabotage!
Keep it calm, Sammy. That's just my alarm. By the way, it means that our ice cream is ready.
You set an alarm to remind us about ice cream?
Yep, I always do that, Sammy.
I highly appreciate your thoroughness, Susie.
It's time to connect all the parts of our craft. Here we go. Sammy, no ice cream until we get the imposter.
I wasn't even thinking.
Well, guys, which part of the Among Us game is your favorite? I like the one with hats, for example. There are so many cool hats.
By the way, guys, ask an adult to help you here.
Sammy, what do you like the most about that game?
I like it when I identify the imposter. Guys, I'll give you a hint. The imposter doesn't do tasks because he can't.
Oh, Sammy, I've got an idea who that might be.
I'm listening. Any information is useful right now.
Well, actually, Fluffy looks really suspicious.
Huh. Interesting hypothesis. I'll go think it through. Fluffy's so suspicious. Fluffy's imposter. What a cake knife in the apron, huh?
Did you say something, Sammy?
I said that I already made our player.
Wow, looks great, Sam. There you go. So, what should we call him?
Maybe the liar.
Oh, your creativity always amazes me. Maybe we should think of a plan B? In case we don't find the imposter?
Oh, believe me, Susie, we'll find him. Actually, I've completed almost all the tasks. Remember, when all tasks are completed, the imposter loses the game?
Sammy, take a break. I think you're tired of doing all those tasks.
Don't worry, Sue, I'll do everything to get the imposter. Here's just one last task. Huh? Guys, any ideas?
While Sam's struggling to cope with this easiest task, I've made the top of our craft.
Done! I'm the best among yous ever!
And our craft is done too!
Oh no, it's a draw! Blind me.
All right, let's do it. Switch it on, and here we go. Woo! Up, up. oh, that's really fun. Oh, okay. Up, almost there. Oh no. Sammy, I promise next time the imposter won't get that far.
Come on, I know the truth. You're the cake destroyer.
But how?
I knew it from the very beginning.
Sammy, I'm sorry, but that cake wasn't my best one. I didn't really like the frosting.
So, how could you? All your cakes are awesome.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for being with us, guys. See you very soon. Bye-bye.